How to master classroom focus. Tips and tricks for maximizing learning potential. Hello, studying machine. Welcome to our super exciting video on how to rock your focus in the classroom. We're about to share some awesome tips and tricks that'll help you unlock your full learning power. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about making your learning space as distraction-free as possible. Pick a quiet spot in the classroom, ideally away from all the noise, and make sure you're facing the teacher. This simple step will help you dive deep into the lesson and keep your focus sharp. Now, on to managing your time like a pro. Before your class kicks off, get your study stuff sorted and figure out which tasks are top priority. Knowing what to tackle first will keep you on the right path and make sure you're zooming in on what really matters. Let's not forget about the power of active listening. Really tune in to what your teacher is saying, jot down notes, and don't be shy to ask questions if something's not clicking. Getting involved in class discussions and connecting with the material will boost your understanding and keep your brain in the game. Mixing up how you learn can also be a game changer. Try out different study tricks like using visuals, memory aids, or mapping out concepts. These strategies are not just fun, but will also help you remember more of what you learn. And here's a big one. Avoid multitasking. Spreading yourself too thin makes it tough to focus on anything well. Give your full attention to one task at a time, and you'll find your learning sessions way more effective. Last but definitely not least, take good care of yourself. Make sure you're getting plenty of sleep, drinking water, and eating healthy. A happy body and mind are super important for staying focused and making the most of your classroom time. And that's a wrap, folks. Put these tips into action, and you'll be a classroom focus wizard before you know it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more awesome advice like this. Catch you next time.